Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. November 24, 1918 America, New York. China Financial Press says further fiscal support incoming. China Securities Journal with the report, citing analysts. Forex Live. November 24, 1908 America, New York. Ripple CEO says DogeCoin has inflationary dynamics, not convinced it's good for crypto markets. Comments from a panel discussion at the FinTech Abu Dhabi conference earlier in the week. Ripple, payment networks company. CEO Garlinghouse says Bitcoin though has had a lot of momentum. Forex Live. November 24, 1854 America, New York. Goldman Sachs have raised their US Q4 GDP forecast to 6% Q4 GDP projections have been jacked up higher all over the place. Forex Live. November 24, 1850 America, New York. Japan PPI Services for October 1% Y. Expected 1.2%, prior 0.9%. This is also referred to as the Corporate Service Price Index, not usually much of a Forex mover though. Forex Live. November 24, 1832 America, New York. U.S. vehicle sales bounce back expected to continue in November and December. Via on U.S. light vehicle sales, gated. Ward's executive summary. Ward's forecast for November as sales of 13.6 million SAR. Ward's is wary on supply chain disruption, saying that while sales are expected to increase, stock inventory will be depleted. Forex Live. November 24, 1803 America, New York. CAD Min Freeland says inflation rising due to global forces. Chrystia Freeland is Canada's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance. A little more now. Interesting comment, that second point. Freeland coming out against tightening of monetary policy? Forex Live. November 24, 1739 America, New York. Bank of England speakers coming up on Thursday the 25th of November 2021. Haskell and Bailey. Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee member Jonathan Haskell will speak at a productivity workshop. Scheduled at 14:05 GMT. Following at 17:30 GMT is Governor Bailey speaking at Cambridge University.
Global Economy. November 24, 1736 America, New York. UK seeks to counter China's influence with new development investment arm. Body will leverage private capital to fund projects in Asia, Africa and the Caribbean, says Foreign Secretary.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. November 24, 1735 America, New York. Economics in One Lesson. Connecticut State Representative Kimberly Fiorello released the one-hour video of my discussion with her and her constituents about Henry Hazlitt's 1946 book, Economics in One Lesson.
Forex Live. November 24, 1732 America, New York. Canada Finance Minister Freeland says will provide a fiscal update in fall. Chrystia Freeland is Canada's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance. Says will present a fiscal update in the fall. Says more details to come in the next few days.
BBC News Business. November 24, 1719 America, New York. UK government sets aside £1.7 billion to support bulb customers. The energy firm, with 1.7 million customers, has been put into a special form of administration.
Forex Live. November 24, 1714 America, New York. Oil. Next week's OPEC Plus meeting timetable. The OPEC Plus ministerial meeting is on December 2nd. Ahead of that is the JMMC meeting on November 30th. OPEC meet the following day, December 1st. I posted earlier on what to watch from this meeting. Further links in this post. Forex Live. November 24, 1704 America, New York. SG eyeing 115.50 in USD, JPY. Target as high as above 117. Societe Generale have outlined levels they are watching for USD, JPY. Analysts at the bank nominate 115.50 as a level from back in March of 2017. Forex Live. November 24, 1650 America, New York. Trade Ideas Thread. Thursday the 25th of November 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so. Forex Live. November 24, 1645 America, New York. NZ October exports 5.35 billion New Zealand dollars, prior 4.4 bn, and imports 6.64 billion New Zealand dollars, prior 6.57 bn. New Zealand October trade balance data showing a very strong performance for exports. The trade balance for October is a deficit of 1.286 bn from September's minus 2.206 bn revised.
Global economy, November 24, 1638 America New York, First FT. JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon has some regrets. Plus, dozens of migrants feared drowned off French coast and 3 men found guilty of murder in shooting of Ahmaud Arbery.
Google Business News, November 24, 1632 America New York, Shop Local on Small Business Saturday, KNSI. Shop Local on Small Business Saturday KNSI.
The Library of Economics and Liberty. November 24, 1629 America New York, what is a low interest rate policy? Turkey's President Erdogan is probably the world's most famous proponent of neo-Fisherism, the view that low interest rate policies are disinflationary and high interest rates policies are inflationary.
Forex Live, November 24, 1625 America New York, Forex Live America's FX News Wrap, daily turns hawk. Forex news for North American trade on November 24, 2021. Lowest in 52 years markets. There was a ton of economic data as the US rushed out releases ahead of a 4-day weekend and there were some major highlights. Forex Live, November 24, 1616 America New York, OPEC laying the groundwork to cut output? Says Biden's reserve release will increase oil surplus. I posted yesterday on the upcoming OPEC Plus meeting, December 2nd, and that Saudi Arabia may push to reduce the planned output boost. OPEC's advisory panel, the Economic Commission Board, estimates that oil released by Biden and others could hugely increase the surplus in global markets. Forex Live, November 24, 1606 America New York, U.S. stocks finish near the best levels of the day. Early worries vanish data showing a strong consumer and tight jobs market didn't hurt equities, neither did a surprising hawkish turn from the SF Fed president. Forex Live, November 24, 1603 America New York, hints about the state of play as Iran nuclear talks start Monday. Israel is pushing against a deal if Biden's real priority is to lower oil prices, then the obvious answer is bringing Iran's oil back to market. That won't be easy.